Hi guys, how are you all doing? Now, today's video is a review. Is a requested video actually, and it's a review of Garnier Micellar Vitamin C Cleansing Water. Okay, so I will be telling you, as you can see, I've been using it almost half. I'll be telling you what I think of it. If it's actually good, if it's something that when I finish this bottle, if it's something that I will continue using, how my skin feels after using it, and whether it is good or bad. Those of you that don't know what micellar water is, micellar water or cleansing water, as some people may call it, they're more like tiny micelles. Yeah, they are tiny micelles that helps to break down dirt. Okay, they surround, more like they attract dirt on the skin, and in doing that break it down for easy cleansing. Okay, and they are used for cleansing. You can use it as a cleansing as a cleanser to cleanse your skin with or without makeup. Most people also use it to cleanse their makeup. Most people just use it as the ordinary cleanser. Okay, now the reason I love micellar water is because it's very good for all skin types. All skin types can use it, and it's because it doesn't strip your skin of natural oil, so they are very gentle on the skin, and it's usually recommended for someone like with dry sensitive skin. Okay, these particular cleansing waters, they are very good for all skin types. So everyone that loves skincare should have one bottle of micellar water in their skincare as one of their skincare products. And most times most companies, they usually write what skin type the micellar water is for. Okay, and this Garnier micellar water, this Garnier micellar vitamin C cleansing water, it says here is for dull, uneven skin. Okay, it has vitamin C, so basically when you use it often, it will help with your dull, uneven skin tone. So if you're someone that has hyperpigmentation, what it's saying here is it will help you to get rid of your hyperpigmentation if you're consistent with it. Okay, but remember, when it comes to skincare products, one skincare routine, one product doesn't do all the miracle. Okay, this particular cleanser, micellar water, it says here it removes makeup plus cleanses plus brightens the skin. Okay, is enriched with vitamin C, is hypoallergic, which is good. When something is hypoallergic, means it's very gentle on your skin and it will not react to your skin, especially people that have skin issues, dermatitis, psoriasis, eczema, sensitive skin. Okay, it says it's you can use it on your face, your eyes, and your lips. Okay, there's a demo. I'll show you a demo of how I use mine. Okay, remember I talk a lot about layering. All right, when you want your skincare product to work, you have to learn how to layer the right way. So once a little bit, in a few minutes, I'm going to be showing you how I use this micellar water to get an optimum result. Okay, you need to learn how to use it the right way. Okay, now watch the video and watch the demo, and when we come back I'll tell you if it's something that I like or if it's something that I don't like. Okay, here we go. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. My thought on this, remember this is not a paid promotion. Okay, there is a micellar water that I've been using from Garnier as well as the cleansing milk, and that one is for sensitive skin. Okay, this one it says is for dull and uneven skin tone, and I can tell you they give me two different feel on my skin. They give two different feel on the skin. I don't use this when I have makeup on, and the reason is because I don't actually feel that it's cleansing my skin that much compared to the cleansing milk, the micellar cleansing milk from Garnier. Okay, the picture here, that is the picture of the micellar water that I've been using for a very long time. And but let me tell you something, this micellar water is very good. I'm not a fan of Garnier brand, let me be honest with you, but this one is good because it didn't cause any breakout on my skin. And when I use it to cleanse my skin, remember I said I don't use any makeup, I don't cleanse my face with it when I have makeup on because I just feel it's not cleansing very well. So I usually use it in the morning. That will be my cleanser for the morning, just like you saw in that video. After that, I don't use any other cleanser for the morning. So it does, you could see the dirt on the cotton wool. As I showed in that video, you could see the dirt on the cotton wool, and my skin feels hydrated after using it, and it doesn't dry my skin out, even though it has vitamin C. It's very good. So yeah, it's something that I would recommend, but especially for people with dull uneven skin tone, because yeah, it is good. Okay, but what works for me may not work for you. But yeah, I recommend it. Okay, I hope you found this video very helpful, and I hope you've clicked the like button, you've subscribed, and help me share my video, and leave a comment below in the comment section. Tell me if you've used it. Tell me what you think about it. Okay, Garnier Miscellar Vitamin C Cleansing Water. I recommend it. All right, thank you so much, my favorite people, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Mwah.